Welcome to this DIY woodworking project. Today, we're diving into the world of parametric design with this wooden parametric bowl. Parametric design allows us to create complex, customizable shapes using mathematical expressions. By making this bowl, you'll not only learn about parametric design, but also hone your woodworking skills. Hi, this is Eva from Wudkwency Artistry. We've created a DIY project of parametric wooden bowl for woodworking enthusiasts. You can download the PDF file for skull saw cutting and DXF file for CNC or laser cutting. The download link is available in the description. The project provides a great opportunity to learn about parametric design principles and how they can be applied in woodworking, expanding your skill set and knowledge base. Once completed, the bowl serves as a functional art piece, showcasing both your woodworking skills and your creative vision. You can use the bowl as a unique gift for friends or family, or even sell it as a handmade item, showcasing your craftsmanship to a wider audience.
If you like this pattern, then hit the like button and join us to stay updated about the new content. Thanks for watching.